Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. One question I get asked a lot is, can you use baking paper or parchment paper in the air fryer? And I've got another grate that can be used, and yes you can, by the way. The only ones you can't use is the bake in the bag bags that you get from Nando's. They are a fire hazard, but apart from that, everything else we've found is pretty much good to go in the air fryer. But what I'm loving at the moment is these packs of ready roll puff pastry. The lovely paper liners that they come in are air fryer friendly, so you can prepare foods like your sausage rolls and your pan au chocolat directly on the paper liners. Cook with the paper liners in the air fryer and avoid a big clean up, and it's just a perfect way to cook it the air fryer way. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.